The width of a rectangle is 7 inches. Its perimeter is 32 inches. All these are inches. Find its length and area. Again, all right, here we go. We're looking at basically, we know the width, we know a perimeter. What we're missing is the length, and we're missing our area. All right. Now, all it takes is two numbers to find another two numbers in this problem. It's going to be very true. We can mix a little algebra in here, but we can do arithmetic on this one pretty easily. We can do pretty much easy arithmetic. Let's draw a picture of a rectangle first, all right? So let's bring it down here, get our good old rectangle here. We're gonna guess that the width is smaller than the length. I really can't tell you, but because otherwise I'd know the answer to the problem. We're gonna find it out together here. Let's see, get your rectangle going. And some cool things about rectangles. That's what makes this problem a lot easier. I had a student call in last week, problem very similar to this, and I said, let's do it again. It's different numbers this time, but very much the same situation. You've got inches, we're gonna say 7 for the width right here. And the beauty of that, I'll put a little symbol there, those are inches, all right? The beauty of this problem is we're also at inches over here the same amount because these sides are the same length, all right, with a rectangle. So what I've got basically is I don't know what's going on here, I don't know what's going on here, but if I could figure that out, I'll have the length, and then I can very easily find the area, which by the way, the area will be in square units. So my question marks, those aren't 7s by the way, they look like 7s, don't they? They are question marks, all right? I don't know what they are. I could call them X, but I want to just kind of play with this one, all right? So I know that if I add all 4 sides, I've got 32. So these question marks, there are 2 of them, the 2 missing links, why don't we call them X, all right? We got 2 X's there, so to speak. And we've got these 2 7s that we have used up. We have already used up 14, and we're going to end up with 32. Now the process, what I want you to understand is, let's just do the arithmetic process. I'm not really too concerned about doing an algebra on this one. I was doing this for a 4th or 5th grader, I believe, the other day on the show, and we were just using arithmetic. And we're going to subtract the 14 from here, all right? So we're going to take 32, we're going to subtract 14, and you know what that's going to do? It's going to give us 18. It's going to give us 18 left over here. Now, with that 18, you say, is that the answer, Ernie? No, that's both of these links together. Remember, we've got 2 missing sides, and yes, they are the same. They are the same. So we're going to divide 2 into 18. We're going to divide the 2 into 18. That's going to give us 9. And you know what? That's going to give us 9 for the length. So we're going to change that question mark into a 9. Oh, that was easy to do, wasn't it? And they are inches. And before we go any further, we want to make sure that these add up to 32, all right? So we got 9 and 7, that's 16. Add 9 and 7 more, you get another 16. We're at 32, so this part is good, all right? We've got the length. The area, real simple to find area. Area is equal to our length times width. We've got them both now, don't we, folks? So we can say that's going to give us 9 times our 7. We get 63, not inches, but we're now in 63 square inches, all right? 63 square inches. That's how we get our area rocking and rolling, okay? So there's your area, 63 square inches. Our lengths, right there it is. Our width, we knew. My goodness, perimeter, it all fits together.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.